The Jamaican economy is projected to see growth within the range of 7% to 9% during the April to June 2021 quarter. Director General of the Planning Institute of Jamaica PIOJ Dr. Wayne Henry made the announcement Wednesday during the Institute's quarterly review of economic performance. Dr. Henry says this projected growth is dependent on the relaxation of some COVID-19 containment measures relative to the lockdown, which occurred in the corresponding quarter of 2020.
Preliminary data for the April to June 2021 quarter has indicated some positive movements which support this projection. Airport arrivals for April 2021 totaled approximately 83,000 visitors compared to none recorded in April 2020. Water consumption for April 2021 grew by 2.2% relative to April 2020.
On the downside, he said the official commencement of the hurricane season poses a risk to economic performance, as well as a slower than expected rollout of the COVID-19 vaccine globally and locally. The Director General also projected growth within the range of 4% to 8% for the 2021-22 fiscal year.
In addition to the factors expected to influence the April to June 2021 quarter, the performance of the fiscal year will be influenced by the gradual relaxation of measures globally that restrict the movement of persons as countries seek to attain herd immunity through continued rollout of vaccination programs. This augurs well for the world economy and a strengthening of external demand for Jamaica's goods and services.
The PIOJ also reported an estimated 5.7% contraction in Jamaica's gross domestic product GDP. The goods-producing industry saw growth of an estimated 3%, driven by expansions in the mining, quarrying, and construction sectors. Output of the agriculture, forestry, and fishing industry fell by approximately 2%, owing to the impact of flood conditions in the previous quarter. In the meantime, the construction sector saw growth of an estimated 12.6%. Hotels and restaurants suffered the heaviest loss with an estimated contraction of 56.2%. As at January 2021, Jamaica's unemployment rate stood at 8.9%. The labor force survey undertaken by the Statistical Institute of Jamaica indicated that figure is 1.5 percentage points higher than the rate recorded for the same period in 2020. Dr. Henry addressed the figures.
The number of persons employed decreased by 74,300 persons to 1,194,800 persons relative to January 2020. There was a decrease in the labor force by 58,600 persons to 1,301,900.
He says an examination of the employed labor force by industry group as at January 2021 revealed that 9 of the 15 industry groups recorded lower employment levels.
The largest declines in employment were recorded for accommodation and food service activities, down 27,400 persons, arts, entertainment, recreation, and other services, down 18,800 persons, wholesale and retail trade, down 15,400 persons, and transport and storage, down 9,900 persons.